Okay, y'all see this gap right here? I'm gonna take a 12 and fill it in. Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. I'm gonna be doing some lash clusters, so stay tuned. So these are some lash clusters that I got from Amazon. I think they were like $12 for the lashes. It comes with the bond and seal, and it also comes with some of these. So I'm also going to be using eyelash curler just to curl my lashes up. This is the bond and seal that comes in the pack. So I'm just going to curl my lashes up. I'm pretty sure y'all know how to, if you've used a lash curler, you know how to curl your lashes. So I'm not really going to say too much on that, but yeah, curl your lashes before doing lash clusters. It helps. Alright, so you're going to put the bond at the base of your lashes, so don't put it through like a mascara. If you want to put it through like a mascara, you do you, babes. But according to the instructions, it says to put it at the base. So we're going to start applying our lashes. I used the lengths 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, and 9. You're going to put the lashes underneath your natural lashes so that they look as natural as possible. But again, trust me, the same I get along better with your friends. So this is just the first layer of lashes. I'm gonna add another layer on top of the first. Also, when you place them on your natural lashes, you should press them in a little. Don't press them in too much, because then you will get bond on your little tool there. After you've applied your first layer, you're gonna seal it with the other side of the stick. That's why it's a seal and bond. And then you're just gonna let it dry, either with like a mini fan or, you know. So then I'm gonna move on to the next side. To me just to see if we dance. Trust me to save our revenge, but now I get along better with your friends. And it's wrong, I know, but again, trust me to save our revenge. I get along better with your friends. Okay, y'all see this gap right here? I'm gonna take a 12 and fill it in. Okay, so this is the end result. I may add more, but essentially it was supposed to be a cat eye look. It looks pretty good, but I feel like I should add more to make it more thick. But for right now, this is what it looks like. Let me know what y'all think. Yeah, it's eaten. But let me know what y'all think for real. But thank y'all for watching, and I'll see y'all next time in my next video. Bye.